Hey, what's up guys, Shaymar here, bringing you my unboxing of both the gold and space gray 128GB iPhone 6. Now just taking a quick look at the packaging, you are able to confirm that this is the iPhone 6 gold in the 128GB capacity. And just quickly taking a look at the space gray model, also in 128GB. Now on to removing the devices from their packaging. So lifting the box, we reveal the gold and the space gray iPhone 6, and just taking these out of the box and putting them aside. And I'll power these on and leave them off to the side to start up on their first boot. And onto the internals of the packaging. Here we have the Apple AirPods with the inline mic controls, which allow you to fast forward, rewind, and play and pause your music. Onto the 5-watt power adapter. And here is the Apple Lightning cable, which can be used to charge and sync your device. Now taking a look at the literature package that is given to us by Apple, and opening the first flap, we are greeted by the SIM ejection tool. And pulling out the literature, we will see the quick start guide for the iPhone 6 and a whole bunch of warranty information. And last but not least, the infamous Apple stickers that everybody just loves. Now onto the setup of the device, we are greeted by the home screen, and we will slide to unlock. Because we speak English, I will select English. I do reside in Canada, and through the magic of video editing, my wireless credentials will be entered. Onto the activation screen, enable location services and set up as new iPhone. I will skip importing my Apple TV for the process of this video. Agree to the terms of condition, which everybody reads. And on to set up for Touch ID. Now I'll just place my finger on the sensor and it will begin to read. So you have to make minor taps on the sensor as it reads, and it will vibrate when it's completed that session, and you raise your finger and apply it to the sensor again until you are prompted to do otherwise. Now to finish the last process of setting up Touch ID, we will put our finger down on the edges so it can gain more of the fingerprint data to have a more accurate reading when applying your finger on its side onto the sensor, and we're complete. For the purpose of this video, I will enter 4 ones as my passcode. And yes, I would like to use Siri, send diagnostics to Apple, and app analytics we will share with developers. Now in iOS 8 on the iPhone 6, we have 2 options, which is a standard view or the zoom view. The standard view, and we are now completed the process of setting it up, and onto the home screen. just making a quick color comparison in between the gold and space gray iPhone 6, you will notice that there is actually not much different in between the two bodies other from the anodized finish on the aluminum and the different color matching on the antenna bands on the different models to match their finishes. Just taking a quick look around the iPhone 6, you'll find that we have our mute switch, our volume rockers, and on the bottom we have our lightning port, we have our speaker grill, and microphone and headphone jack. On the other side, you will find the SIM card tray and you'll find the sleep wake button. Taking a look at the camera on the top, you will notice that the camera on the iPhone 6 and on 6 Plus do protrude out of their housing. Now, making a quick comparison in between this year's iPhone 6 and last year's iPhone 6 Plus, you will get to appreciate just how thin the iPhone 6 actually is. Here's a comparison of the two models on the bottom. And on their right side, and you will notice there is no longer a sleep wake button on the top of the device. There you have it, guys. That was my quick unboxing of both the gold and space gray 128GB iPhone 6. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one, guys.